How to fix TextNow call plus text unlimited app not working in Android or iPhone. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about fixing the TextNow call plus text unlimited app not working on your Android device or your iPhone. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that you've installed the latest version of application in your mobile device. So in order to ensure that you can open your Play Store if you're using Android and App Store if you're using iPhone. Now in the search bar, simply type in TextNow application or whatever application that you want to update. And once you find the application, go ahead and tap onto it. And if you see an update button over there, you can simply go ahead and update it to its latest and newest version available. Now come back, open your system settings, scroll down and go to apps, then simply search for TextNow application. Now once you find that application, go ahead and tap on its storage and then click on clear cache. You can also try clearing the data, but remember that it will delete all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding that. And also make sure that you've given all the permissions to this app. And if you go to the battery section, make sure that it's set to optimized or unrestricted. After that, you can also try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. Then go ahead and launch the application. And if it's still not working, go ahead and uninstall this application completely from your device. And if you're using iPhone, you can go to General and then go to the iPhone storage and search for the application. Then after, click on Upload App and then reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store according to your device. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.